we have here is a seasonal quilt. It comes packaged, very nice and compact. Comes in two colors, white and a blue, teal blue. The Geese, information about them. Get a nice carrying bag that you could put your quilt in when you're not using it, summer, winter, and fall. 3 geese. So what we're going to do is open this up and show you how this expands. Please allow this some time to get to its full potential. Please do not cut on the fabric, but away from it. As you can see, it's starting to expand as you open up. If you're looking to dress up your room with a different quilt than your old one, this may be right for you. Rather than a small one. Takes time to expand. We'll come back later. Please remember when you get your product, allow it to dry. It'll show some wrinkles. That is quite the norm. This is a lightweight quilt down. Excellent for some spring, fall, additional blankets. It's got a very comfortable feel to it. It'll keep nice and cool against the body, nice and dry, take the moisture away from you. And it is a wonderful quilt. Well, I'm not going to get underneath my blanket. Sure I am. I'm going to just get underneath it like this. And when I go to bed, oh yeah, on those cool summer days, I think this would do just fine. And it's not heavy, and it's got a good feel to it. It's nice and strong. And I hope this is something that you are looking for your bed. They come in a number of sizes. Check online. Enjoy the colors you choose on the blanket you are looking for spring, summer, winter, and fall.